Sheikh, the question is asking, the Muslim people is so divided at this time, and the Sheikhs have talked about it so many times. Can you tell us the reason to that and also the solution and the way forward?
No, I can't. In a nutshell, how do you want me to tackle the Ummah's problem in 1 or 2 lines? Why is the Ummah divided? We have to go into the history. What is the solution? We have to look into our own homes. إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُغَيِّرُ مَا بِقَوْمٍ حَتَّى يُغَيِّرُوا مَا بِأَنفُسِهِمْ. When you change yourself positively according to Islam, your household, your community, your neighbors, your city, then everything would fix. But when you sit back home and your home is filled with haram, and you're watching Netflix, and you are listening to music, and your children are not praying in the masjid, and your daughters are not abiding by the hijab, and you're dealing with riba, and you're cheating and lying, and then say, why is the Ummah so divided? You're the reason. Fix yourself, Allah will fix the whole Ummah. And therefore, don't look at floor number 100. In order to reach there, you have to take the stairs from ground floor, first floor. But people, unfortunately, are focused on, why are the rulers like this? They're corrupted. Okay, we put good rulers. What will you do? They closed all night clubs and bars. Ya akhi, they're bad rulers. Where will we have fun? Subhanallah. So, damn if you do, damn if you don't. No, this is not the right way of doing it. You want to start to fix the Ummah? Fix yourself. Observe your salah in the masjid, your night prayer, your memorization of the Quran, fixing your children and your loved ones and their community. Wallahi, everything will be fixed. But it is not an easy switch. You just push and it works. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication, and you have to be, have this patience and tolerance so that Allah makes it happen.